Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am back with another interesting question. So let us quickly see the problem statement. Here a right triangle PQR is given and we can see a semicircle with center at point O. The area of this semicircle is 9 pi centimeter square. MR is given as 4 centimeter and we are asked to find the area of triangle PQR. Okay. So first of all, area of triangle PQR will be equal to half times the base, that is QR. So let us write down the formula here. So half times the base length, that is QR, times the height of the triangle, that is PQ, because it is a right angle triangle. This is the base, this is the altitude. So if you multiply them, divide by 2, we will get the area of this triangle PQR. Now QR length is not given to us, PQ length is not given to us, so our endeavor must be to find these two lengths. For that, we see that the area of semicircle is 9 pi centimeter square. This information is given to us. So let the radius of this semicircle be small r. So this is small r, this is also small r. So area of semicircle is pi r square divided by 2, and that is given as 9 pi. So we can cancel pi, and from here we'll get r square is equal to 18 and r is equal to square root of 18, which is equal to 3 root 2. Okay, and the unit is centimeters. So we have found the length of r. So this side length QR will be twice the radius. So we can write area of this triangle as half times QR. QR will be twice the radius. So 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 is 6 root 2. So we will write down 6 root 2. And next we want to find the value of PQ. For that, let us join M and Q. So QMR, if you see this angle, this is 90 degrees. Why? Because this is the angle on a semicircle. We have learned this property that this is the diameter, this is the semicircle, then on any point on the circumference of the semicircle, let us choose this point. So if we join these two and these 2 points, this is always 90 degree. So the let us take another example. If we have another point here, if we join these two and these two, this is also 90 degree. So likewise, QR is the diameter and M is any point on the circumference of the semicircle. So if we join QM, MR, the angle between them is 90 degrees. Now let us take the length PM as X units and PQ as Y units. So PR is a straight line and this angle is 90 degree. So this angle is also 90 degree. So we have a right angle triangle where this side is X, this is Y, and this is QM, which is not known to us. So we can compute the value of QM first using the triangle QMR. Triangle QMR. So triangle QMR, if we see this, we will use Pythagoras theorem here. So here QR square is equal to QM square plus MR square. What is QR? So QR is twice the radius. So this will be 6 root 2. So 6 root 2 square is equal to QM square, which is unknown. MR square is square of 4. So this will be 72 is equal to QM square plus 16. So QM square will be 72 minus 16. So this will be 56. So QM is square root of 56. This is what we found the value of QM, square root of 56. Now let us focus on triangle PQM. So triangle PQM. This is also a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. Here y, this length PQ, will act as hypotenuse. So y square will be x square plus this QM square. So QM square will be square of root of 56, that is 56. Let us name this as equation 1. Now let us take this triangle PQR. This is also a right angle triangle PQR. This time the hypotenuse will be PR, that is x plus 4. So can we write like this? X plus 4 whole square is equal to y square plus this QR square. QR is twice the radius, that means 6 root 2 whole square. Let us now expand the bracket here. So x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to y square plus this will be 72. Now we can substitute the value of, this is equation 2. Now we can substitute the value of y square from equation 1 into equation 2. So we will get x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to, in place of y square, this will be x square plus 56 plus 72. Now x square will get cancelled from both sides. So we will be left with 8x is equal to 56 plus 72 minus 16. 56 plus 72 minus 16. So 8x will be, let us first add these two, 56. 6 plus 2 will be 8 and 5 plus 7 will be 12. 128 minus 16. So 8x will be 8 minus 6 is 2 and then 2 minus 1 is 1. So 112. So x will be 112 by 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Then in hand we will have 3. 8 times 4 is 32. So we will get the value of x as 14. So x is 14. So what will be the value of y? So let us substitute this in equation 1. So we will get, let me write here. So y square is x square, 14 square, that is 196 plus 56. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Then 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 5 is 15. In hand 1 and this is 252. So y will be square root of 252. So y is what? PQ. So now we will substitute the value of PQ here in the area of triangle PQR. So this is square root of 252. Now this 2 times 3. So it will be 3 root 2 times square root of 252. So let us find the square root of 252. 252, 2 times 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 6 is 12, and 2 times 6, 63. Then you can write 3, 21, then 3, 7, and that's it. So it will be 6 root 7. It will be 3 root 2 multiplied by 6 root 7. 6 times 3 is 18 and root 14 centimeter as the area of triangle PQR, which will be approximately equal to 67.35 centimeters. So the final answer is 18 root 14 or 67.35. Thus we have found the area of triangle PQR. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.